guys! Rhazel here! Welcome back to my channel. Today, wait, why? Bakit ganyan itsura ng short ko? Hi guys, Rhazel here. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll be doing another haul for you guys. And you guys really liked my try-on haul, so I'm gonna do another try-on haul for you. I got some stuff from Fashion Nova and FASHIONMIA, and I just wanna let you guys know na lahat ng to sinandala sa akin. Okay, the first thing is Fashion Nova. So they contacted me and asked me if I wanna try their clothing. So I was like, yes, I've heard a lot of good things about Fashion Nova. You guys know me, I love watching hauls. Lagi ako nanonood ng mga clothing haul. Actually, kahit na anong haul pinapanood ko. And marami na akong napanood ng mga Fashion Nova haul. And lagi lang sinasabi na yung jeans ng Fashion Nova is like the best jeans na they've ever tried or they've ever felt or whatever. I was like, really? Really? So yeah, nung kinontak nila ako, I was like, yes, gusto ko i-try yung mga jeans nila. I think I got like 5 jeans in here. I'm not sure. We'll see. Okay, the first thing is the shirt that I'm wearing right now. Sobrang sexy ng likod nito. I'm definitely not wearing the right bra. Sobrang low back niya. And I like na meron siyang holes sa kanya. And gusto ko din yung sleeve niya. Gusto ko din yung color niya. If you guys have been watching my videos, alam niyo na gusto ko yung mga ganito. Parang muted, na parang may pagka-beige, may pagka-pink. So yeah, gusto ko tong top na to. It feels really nice. I can see myself wearing this a lot sa Pilipinas. Actually, I'm not sure about that kasi sobrang sexy ng likod niya. We'll see, but I really like it. The second one, ito, if you guys follow me on Instagram, maraming beses nyo na ito makita. Well, not really maraming beses. 2 pictures pa lang yung na-post ko, like as of now, while I'm filming this video. I'm pretty sure you will see more kasi I can see myself wearing this all the time. I wasn't expecting nakakasya siya sa akin, you guys, kasi alam niyo naman ng liit-liit ko. I got this in size 1. I'm pretty sure this top is in the size small, if not extra small. I will leave that information below. Itong jeans na to though, like sobrang ganda ng fit niya. Marami akong jeans na nakuha from them, pero ito yung pinaka the best fit. I've worn this twice already, and I love it. This is from Fashion Nova, obviously, pero yung brand niya is Seasonal Denim Collection. Basta, ang ganda-ganda niya. Kapag hindi ko tinupi yung dito, sobrang haba niya sa akin. Pero tinutupi ko siya, and yeah, perfect na siya kasi tinupi ko siya. And gusto ko din yung rip na style sa kanya. Tapos yung likod ganyan. I like this parang distressed na feel sa bulsa. I really like it. As in, sobrang komportable nito. Like, parang hindi ako nakasuot ng jeans. Isa napansin ko sa mga jeans nila, stretchable sila, which is good. Kasi para sa akin, sobrang komportable niya talaga. Para talaga ako hindi nagsuot ng jeans when I was wearing this. This is definitely hands down my favorite item from Fashion Nova. Okay, marami pang jeans, but I'm gonna show you that last kasi nasa ilalim sila. Yun yung inuna ko kasi ginamit ko siya today. But next are shoes. So, I got boots. Like, I'm not sure kung saan ko to isusuot, kung masusuot ko siya at all. But, like, yeah. Like, very shiny and very mahaba ng heels niya. Pero gusto ko yung dito na detail, oh, kasi ito lang yung hindi shiny. Yan lang yung gusto ko kasi hindi shiny. I tried it on, and it looks good. But like, para sa akin, kapag sinuot ko to, like, it's gonna be really like, attention seeker? Attention seeker? Yeah, parang, yeah. Right? Attention seeker. Tama naman siguro. Again, I'm not sure kung isusuot ko siya at all, kung masusuot ko siya. Kung isusuot ko siya, saan ako pupunta? Kaloka. Pero it looks really good and it fits me perfectly. It is the size 35. No! 5.5 yung size niya. Okay. Gusto ko siya tingnan, pero I'm not sure if I will have the confidence to actually wear it out. We'll see. Next one is this. I'm not really sure what to call this. Like, it's a really thin jacket. Yeah. Meron siyang may pagka-bomber jacket na style sa kanya. But it's obviously not bomber jacket because like the material is so thin. It's see-through. Gusto ko na meron siyang bomber jacket na feel sa kanya pero wala siya ng material ng bomber jacket kasi sa Pilipinas, hindi ako makaka-bomber jacket. Alam ko na sobrang init at humid sa Pilipinas. So, this I like kasi I'm pretty sure masusuot ko to sa Pilipinas because again, it's very thin. And I also really like this color. And yeah, meron siyang pocket dyan. I'm actually not sure what I think about this really like thick na band right here. And gold din yung zipper niya, which is perfect. Muted na gold lang, hindi like in your face gold. I like that one. Okay, next one is this pair of jeans right here. This is a bit big on me. It's such a bummer kasi it's size 1 already. Pero malaki siya sa akin. I will still try it on though because kasha naman siya. Hindi nga lang siya like fit na fit gaya ng isa, pero kasya siya sa akin. And I like na meron siyang maraming rip na ganyan. Sobrang komportable din ito. Kasi na-try ko na to, sobrang komportable niya. Meron din siyang stretch na feel sa kanya. It's high-waisted as well. And yeah, I really like that one. Next one, this one I like. So this is lahat ng jeans dito, size 1 by the way. Ito, white lang siya. Tapos, yung rip na design niya, like bongga yung rip niya. Like, ang laki ng butas. Tingnan nyo. Hindi siya like jeans kasi hindi naman siya maong, pero like it's jeans, you know what I mean? Stretchy siya, sobrang ganda nito. Next one is the same as the white one, pero I got it in black. I'm not sure if you can see that, pero makikita niyo yan sa try-on, but yeah, ang laki ng mga rip niya. And, oh, nice! Gold yung hardware niya. Perfect, I like it. Nag-iba talaga yung lighting dahil sa black na jeans. Wait, let me put this down. Last one from Fashion Nova is this one right here. Again, this is not the perfect fit, but then again, kasya siya. It looks like this. Meron din siya ng sobrang laking butas dyan. Super high-waisted din ito, as in grabe. And same thing as the others, kailangan ko siyang i-roll up. Actually, lahat ng mga jeans, nung pag-receive ko sa kanila, naka-roll up na sila. So, parang like, plinansya talaga nila na naka-roll up talaga siya. Kasi pag-receive ko sa kanila, silang lahat talaga naka-roll up. Though, para sa akin, kahit na ganito na siya, nakatupi na siya, kailangan ko pa rin siyang tupiin kasi nga ang liit-liit ko. But then again, the quality of the jeans, they're really good. I'm gonna leave all the links below para if you guys want to check the price, you can just click the link. Okay, next up are the stuff that I got from FASHIONMIA. I have, I think, 3 items in here. Yeah, first one is this top right here. Alam niyo naman na mahilig ako sa stripes. So, I decided to pick this top. I like na meron siyang high-low effect. Like, dito sa front, ganyan. Tapos, meron din yung slit, which I like. And then, sa likod, mahaba siya. Gustong-gusto ko siya. I can see myself wearing this with leggings, tapos white sneakers. Ha. Like it. Okay, next one is this dress. I wore this dress in my like day to night makeup look, and then I think the huge skincare, Korean makeup, skincare haul. I wore this dress as well because I filmed that on the same day. And a lot of you guys asked me where I got, not a lot. Why do I always say a lot? Some of you guys asked me where I got my dress from. I got it from FASHIONMIA. This definitely is my favorite item from FASHIONMIA. I cannot wait to wear this. Like, isusuot ko to sa weekend when we go to Victor Harbor. Yes. And meron din siyang slit. O, diba bongga? Meron siyang slit. Okay, last one from FASHIONMIA and the last one sa haul na to. You guys know me. I love me some pineapples. So, I have to get it. I just have to, you guys. It's a pineapple. It's gray. And you know me, I'm really into grays. I love grays on me. And again, I love me some pineapples. So, I got it and it looks so cute. Alam ko magiging malaki siya sa akin, but Kerebels kasi meron siyang pinya. So, young. And that's everything sa haul na to, you guys. You know what? I'm gonna do a giveaway. I'm gonna pick one dress in here na hindi kasya sa akin. And ibibigay ko siya sa isa sa inyo. Kapag kasya lang naman sa inyo. Wait, let me pick it. Okay, ito na-feature ko siya sa previous haul ko. And nasabi ko sa haul na yun na hindi to kasya sa akin. I personally haven't tried this one on yet, but I'm pretty sure hindi siya kasya sa akin. So, nananawagan ako sa lahat ng mga medium dyan. Or kung meron kayong kilalang medium and gusto nyo to ibigay sa kanya, you can join. But, this dress looks like this. Ganyan. I love this. Gusto ko siya kasi meron siyang bell sleeves and meron siyang lace dyan sa sleeve niya. And then, yung likod niya, mayroon siyang ganyang ganap sa likod. Sexy. O, diba? Merong peekaboo na ganyan. If you guys want this, feel free to join the giveaway. I will leave all the information below as usual. And, yeah. Good luck. God bless sa lahat ng sasali. The quality of this is lit. I got this from floriday.com. That's an unexpected giveaway right there. So, you're welcome. Anyway, that's it for this video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't already. If gusto nyo na ma-notify kayo sa mga videos ko araw-araw, like I upload araw-araw. Pero some of you guys, na-message nyo ako, sinasabi nyo, wala ka pong upload today. I upload every day. So kung gusto nyo ma-notify kayo, you can click the bell button below. Meron siyang bell. If you click that, you will be notified every single day kapag may upload ako. Kung gusto nyo may email na kumukulit sa inyo, go ahead and click that. Anyway, that's it, Pansit. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope to see you guys tomorrow. Do not forget to goodbye. And lagi ako nanonood ng mga cuting. Lagi ako nanonood ng mga gulo-gulo na. Let me get it for you. Ayun, nagkagulo-gulo na ang buhay. Oops, 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 oops. Huwag kang malaglag, phone. Huwag kang malaglag. Wala akong pampalit sa'yo.